Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we have got another package. So let's crack it open and see what it is. Okay, so I have got the box open. Let's have a look. First time seeing this. Okay, so this is what we get in the box. We have the bag to keep the wing in. Very nice, in plastic wrapping. So there is the bag. We have landing gear. This is the back landing gear, I think. It's got quite a lot of twist to the landing gear. I don't know if that's normal or something, but anyway. That is that. Okay, next what we have, pardon me, we have the sail. So this is a paramotor, so this is the wing, and we will have to do a bit of setup on this to get all the strings correct and to the right length. But this is the V2, it's supposed to fly more efficiently and a bit faster. So yeah, nicely packed. Okay, get this out. So this is the main frame, obviously. Got your motor, very well packed actually, and looks very good. I think the battery will fit in it as well. I hope, fingers crossed. Okay, let's get this out. So this will be the light bar. This one comes with a light bar, it's got some accessories, and then down here we have a propeller, nice white propeller so it will show up in the dark, and obviously the main hoop. So I'll get everything laid out and we'll have a closer look. Okay, so this is everything you get in the box. Obviously your wing bag, your wing. This is the back landing gear. You've got the hoop supports, the control arms, box of bands to hold the battery on, and some zip ties and whatnot. This is the really heavy duty looking light bar. You've got propeller and hoop. Main frame is absolutely amazing, this thing. It looks so nice, the motor is so smooth. And then obviously battery comes separately, you have to buy this separately, but it's for this. So yes, I will have to change the connector because it is an XT90 and I need an XT60. So I will check back in with you when we do the build. Bye. Okay, so we've got all necessary tools. We are going to put the landing gear on and then move forwards to the hoop. Okay, so to take the landing gear off, we've got to undo these little bolts. So put the Allen key in here. It's a bit fiddly, very fiddly. And somewhere Okay, there we go. Now, what we're going to do
Right, for your own sake, edit that out, okay?
we are going to put the propeller. Okay, so we are going to put the propeller on now. Obviously, this is a pusher, so the pitch of the blades need to be facing backwards. So if it was a puller, it would be like that. If it's a pusher, sorry, hang on. Yes, if it's a puller, it would be like that, and then if it's a pusher, it would be the other way. But for this, it's going to be like a normal aeroplane, but backwards. So it'll be spinning that way. So the air is coming that way behind it. Okay, so I will probably end up taking this off when we do the electronic setup, just for safety reasons, because, you know, don't want it spinning up, just in case, you know, that would hurt. Obviously you've got to have throttle lock to make sure it is okay. Okay, is that relatively tight? Whoops, slipping. Beautiful. Okay, that's on nice and tight. It's not rubbing. Okay guys, so this pretty much wraps up this video, and I shall make another video when I do the maiden flight. I have tried to fly this once, but it didn't go so well, as you will see in a minute. But when I have a successful maiden flight, I will show you. Bye!